Hello and welcome to this incredible channel, PulseCheck, where we uncover the science behind health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking revelation in medicine, the gut-brain connection. You may think your gut is simply responsible for digestion, but research now tells us otherwise. What happens in your gut doesn't stay in your gut. In fact, your microbiome, the trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive system, plays a direct role in shaping your mood, stress resilience, and overall mental well-being. Let's start with a fundamental truth. Your gut is often called the second brain, for a reason. Embedded in the walls of your digestive tract is the enteric nervous system, a vast network of neurons that communicates directly with your brain. But the real game changer? Your gut bacteria produce and regulate neurotransmitters, chemicals that dictate how you feel. Serotonin, for instance, the neurotransmitter responsible for happiness and emotional stability, is not primarily made in the brain. Nearly 90% of serotonin is actually produced in the gut. When your microbiome is imbalanced, due to processed foods, stress, or lack of fiber, serotonin levels drop, increasing your risk of anxiety and depression. A study published in Psychological Medicine found that individuals with gut dysbiosis, or an unhealthy microbiome, were significantly more likely to experience mood disorders than those with a diverse and balanced gut flora. Now, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress does not just affect your mind, it damages your gut, creating a vicious cycle. When you experience prolonged stress, your body releases cortisol, the primary stress hormone, which disrupts the balance of your gut bacteria. In turn, an imbalanced microbiome sends distress signals back to the brain, heightening feelings of anxiety and making it even harder to manage stress. A striking study from Nature Communications demonstrated that individuals with lower levels of beneficial gut bacteria, such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, had exaggerated stress responses and higher levels of cortisol in their system. This means that if you often feel overwhelmed, irritable, or emotionally drained, the answer may not lie in your brain but in your gut. And here's something even more fascinating. Your gut bacteria influence your ability to recover from emotional trauma. Emerging research from translational psychiatry found that individuals with a robust microbiome were better equipped to bounce back from emotional distress. In one experiment, participants with a healthy gut showed significantly lower rates of PTSD symptoms after experiencing a stressful event compared to those with an imbalanced microbiome. This means your gut health could determine how well you cope with life's challenges. But the impact doesn't stop there. Poor gut health has been linked to cognitive decline and even neurodegenerative diseases. Scientists at Johns Hopkins University discovered that individuals with chronic gut inflammation were at a significantly higher risk for memory impairment and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Why? Because an unhealthy gut allows inflammatory molecules to enter the bloodstream and reach the brain, triggering neuroinflammation and accelerating cognitive aging. So, what's the solution? The good news is that you have the power to reshape your microbiome. A fiber-rich diet with fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut can significantly boost beneficial gut bacteria, reducing anxiety and improving mood. In fact, a clinical trial in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that participants who consumed a diet rich in prebiotic fibers experienced a 40% reduction in stress-related symptoms within just 4 weeks. The evidence is undeniable. Your gut health is a direct gateway to your mental and emotional well-being. If you've been struggling with chronic stress, anxiety, or brain fog, it's time to shift your focus from just treating symptoms to addressing the root cause, your microbiome. The connection between your gut and brain is not just theoretical, it is a biological reality that shapes your daily life. So, tonight, when you sit down for your next meal, ask yourself, is this nourishing my gut, or is it feeding an imbalance? Because taking care of your microbiome is not just about digestion, it's about protecting your brain, stabilizing your mood, and fortifying your mind against stress. Thank you for tuning into PulseCheck, where science meets action for better health. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, take care of your gut, and your brain will thank you.